Welcome to Chroma Whisperer, your portal to a world painted in history's vibrant hues. Get ready to immerse yourself in the captivating allure of vintage and colorized historical photographs. Join us on a journey through time, where black and white snapshots transform into vivid spectacles of the past. Explore moments frozen in time, now brought to life with a palette of colors that breathe new vitality into history. Discover the stories behind these timeless images, unveiling the mysteries, emotions, and forgotten narratives that lay hidden within. Are you ready to witness the past through a prism of colors? Then buckle up and embark on this mesmerizing adventure with Chroma Whisperer. As we delve deeper into these mesmerizing historical snapshots, we encourage you to be part of our community. If you're enjoying this colorful exploration of the past, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with fellow history enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button to join our vibrant journey. Your support fuels our passion for unraveling the mysteries of history through colorized lenses. We'd love to hear your thoughts, insights, and stories in the comments below. Share with us your favorite moments, and let's keep this conversation alive. Together, let's paint history in hues that resonate with the soul and continue spreading the beauty of the... Welcome, dear viewers, to another enchanting episode of Chroma Whisperer. Today, we embark on a journey through time, exploring historical snapshots that capture the essence of snowfalls and blizzards in New York City from the 1900s to the 1980s. I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to guide you through the frosty past of the Big Apple. These images are more than just frozen moments. They're windows into a time when life in the city adapted to the cold embrace of winter. People bundled up, streets transformed by snow, and yet the pulse of the city continued to beat, undeterred by the chill. But as we peer into these pictures, there's more than meets the eye. These snapshots reveal the city's grit and smarts, showcasing how New Yorkers tackled the challenges of winter together. Beyond the snowy scenes, they also unveil the evolution of the city itself over time. Let's delve into history. The New York blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great White Hurricane, left a lasting mark. Stretching from the Chesapeake Bay to Maine, this storm paralyzed towns, collapsing railways and telegraph lines. While New York City saw a milder 22-inch snowfall, it showcased the city's resilience in the face of nature's fury. Fast forward to December 26, 1947, the Boxing Day storm turned a wish for a white Christmas into a chilling reality. The Great Blizzard of 1947 trapped many, leaving them without food and heat. This devastating storm claimed 77 lives and set a record with 26.4 inches of snow in Central Park. Moving ahead to February 12, 2006, the North American blizzard of 2006 swept through the East Coast, causing disruptions and school closures. New York City in particular bore the brunt, receiving a staggering 26.9 inches of snow, the highest recorded in the city's history, according to government records. Now, brace yourselves for Winter Storm Jonas on January 23, 2016, also known as Snowzilla. Gripping the nation's attention as a massive blizzard, it prompted states of emergency and brought travel to a standstill in New York and New Jersey for 2 days. The city received 26.8 inches of snowfall, almost breaking the existing record. Thank you for joining me on this journey through New York City's snowy history. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to hit that like button, share with fellow history enthusiasts, and subscribe to Chroma Whisperer for more colorful tales from the past. While you're here uncovering the vivid tales of the past, don't forget to explore the treasure trove of colorized history waiting for you on our channel. Dive into other captivating videos where history unfolds in a spectrum of vibrant colors. Take a moment after this video to browse through our collection of captivating tales brought to life through the art of colorization. Click on our channel to discover more intriguing stories and witness history in a whole new light. Expand your journey through time by exploring our other videos, each offering a unique glimpse into the kaleidoscope of the past. Thank you for being part of our vibrant community here at Chroma Whisperer. Thank you for tuning in to Chroma Whisperer. We hope you enjoyed exploring the kaleidoscope of history with us. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, share the magic of colorized memories, and hit that subscribe button to never miss out on our latest journeys into the past. Until next time, keep relishing the beauty of history in vibrant shades. This is Chroma Whisperer signing off. See you in the next chapter of our colorful voyage.